Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in 3ds Max for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you edit polygon in Edit Poly. So in the previous tutorial I have discussed with you edit vertices, edit edges and edit boundary. So today I am going to discuss edit polygon in Edit Poly. So I am going to my full perspective mode here and I am going to draw a box. And we'll change this from default shading to edged faces. Then I'm going to my modifier list and I'm going to increase the segment here, and with segment also you can increase as per your design. So this is our box, and now I'm going to right click here and I'm going to convert to editable poly. So now it is converted to editable poly. We'll go above here and you can go to selection tools, and already we have discussed about vertices, edge and border. Today I am going to discuss about polygon. So polygon, I am going to select this polygon and I will check this ignore back facing, and we will discuss today edit polygon. So this one is insert vertex. So if you want to insert vertex in between polygons, you can select this one and you can insert vertex anywhere. I'm going to click here and you can see all the edges which are adjoining surrounding vertices are joined here like this, and you can put vertices in between polygon. So this is the use of insert vertex. Next is extrude. So I am going to select any polygon here. You can select one by one, or if you want to select multiple, you can press Ctrl on your keyboard and you can select multiple polygon. So now I am going to select this polygon here and I will use this extrusion here, and you can see this is extruded, and you can make some adjustment like group, local normal and by polygon also one by one, or you can also do in group in a group. So if I am going to select group here, I am going to select any group here and you can extrude in a group. So this is the advantage of using in a group. So I'm going to use in polygon by a polygon, so polygon will be extruded. So this is the ease of extrusion, and I will again come to extrusion here, and you can increase the height from here. So you can adjust the height of extrusion. If you will take it back, gap will be created, and you can finish this after you think that it is as per your design. You can finish this or you can cancel this also. So now I am going to finish this. So this is our extrusion, and again this outer surface is also converted to polygon. If you want to extrude this also, you can select this and press extrusion here, and this outer surface will be also extruded. You can extrude this one also, can extrude this one also. So likewise you can use this extrusion command. And now I'm going to finish this. Next command is outline. So I'm going to select any polygon here, suppose this one, and now I'm going to press outline, and you can see this is the amount. So if I'm going to increase, you can see this is the outline here. If I'm going to decrease, so this is the outline tool here, which you can use to adjust the outline of the polygon. So I'm going to cancel this. Next is bevel. So bevel is also similar like extrusion here, and only thing that we can bevel this surface here. So I'm going to select this polygon here and I'm going to bevel this, and you can see this is beveled shape, and this is again group, local normal and by polygon, and you can adjust the amount of height like this, and then you can use this for bevel outline. You can bevel outside like this, or you can reduce this beveling like this. So it is very useful in your design, and you can later on finish this. Again you can use extrusion if you want to extrude this like this one. So you can extrude this outline, or you can also use bevel, so it will be in beveled shape. So this is the use of bevel. Now next is inset. So suppose I am going to select a polygon here, and I am going to insert here. Select insert, and you can see this insert is created here, and you can adjust with the amount of insert, and you can finish this. So this is the use of insert. Next is bridge. So if you want to create a bridge, you can do this. So suppose I am going to select a polygon here, and I am going to extrude this also, and now I am going to finish this. So this is the extrusion here, and now we will create a bridge. So I am going to select this polygon here, and we'll press Ctrl, and we'll select the bottom part of this polygon. You can see these two are selected, and now I'm going to select this one, bridge, and a bridge is created here. You can see this is the bridge polygon segment here. So if you want to play with the segment, you can use this segment. You can increase n number of segment in this, and you can also taper this like this, or you can create interesting designs like this. And this one is bias. You can play with the bias, and this one is smoothness. If you want to make this smooth, you can use this. This is for twisting it, and this one is for twist to. So in two way you can twist this, and this is use polygon selection, and after this you can finish this. So this is very useful tool here, edit polygons. And next you can flip any polygon. So suppose I am going to select this polygon, and I will press flip here. So you can see this polygon is flipped here. You can flip any polygon, material, textures. When you will learn, you can use this. And now you can use this also on extrude along SP line. So I have discussed about extrude, outline, bevel, insert, bridge, flip, and now I will discuss about extrude along SP line. So this is also sometimes important. For this we are required to draw a SP line. So I am going to my elevation mode here, and I am going to draw a SP line. So suppose I am going to create here, and I am going to this 2D shapes, and I am going to draw a SP line, or we can start drawing this. I am going to draw a SP line here. So suppose this is the shape of SP line, and now I am going to my perspective mode, Alt W, and this is our SP line. And you can go to your modifier list, and now I am going to select a polygon here. Any polygon you can select. Suppose I am going to select this as a polygon, and now I am going to this extrude along SP line. So I am going to check this box, and now you can see extrude along SP line is activated, and you can see this symbol pick SP line. So I am going to select this, and I am going to select this pick SP line, and you can finish this, and you can see this has taken the shape of this SP line, this extrusion. So you can see this is inside. So it has taken the shape of this SP line here. You can see, if you will see clearly, this has taken the shape of SP line. So this is sometimes important for your design. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in 3ds Max. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.